Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make no knead focaccia bread from scratch. Traditionally, bread needs a lot of kneading to increase the gluten, but in this bread, we don't have to knead at all. This is my version of the recipe, so if you like this recipe, do give it a try. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I post new recipes every week. Starting off with 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup of cornmeal or makki ka atta, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. If you use normal dry yeast, you have to activate it before adding it to the flour. At last, add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped garlic. Now add 2 cups of lukewarm water and mix it. After adding water, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. I recommend using olive oil, but if you don't have olive oil, you can also use vegetable oil or canola oil. Mix the oil well in the dough. Now here I have a greased baking tray. If you don't have it, you can also use a cake pan, griddle or even a saucepan. Just grease it very well and spread the dough evenly using your hands or spatula. Once you spread it all around the tray or pan, let it rest for 45 minutes at some warm place. Either cover it with a cling wrap or brush it with some oil so the dough doesn't dry from the top. After 45 minutes, as you can see, my dough has risen perfectly. Now puncture the dough using your fingers. Sprinkle some oregano, onion powder, garlic powder and some salt. Also drizzle some olive oil on the top. You can also add some capsicum, cherry tomatoes, jalapeno or any other topping you like. Bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until it turns golden brown from the top. My bread has baked perfectly. Unmold the bread and let it cool down. It has cooled now. Let's cut it and see how does it look from inside. Crispy from top, soft and fluffy from inside. What could be better than this? Do give it a try and share your result with me in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.